Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SRNE. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Quite the eventful day on this one, not only from the price action point of view, but you look down there at the volume and well above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on this one going forward. So let's map out some levels of support, and then we can talk levels of resistance. So the first level of support that really stands out is this area right here at the $4.60 mark. And you can see this was essentially the bottom portion of this consolidation that happened all day long. So the price came down there several times and just did a good job of holding right above there. I realized at one point it did go down below there, but that didn't last very long and the price quickly snapped back above it. So generally speaking though, $4.60, certainly a very, very important level to watch going forward. And then an interesting part of this pattern that's formed, because the other part of the pattern is just this trend line right here. And very nice little kind of miniature wedge here, kind of a pennant pattern. And while not a guarantee, because there's no such thing as a guarantee in the market, but going forward, if the price can get a good, solid, high volume break, high volume being the key part of that line, again, no such thing as a guarantee, but it would also not be shocking at all to see the price get up there at around 515 and test these highs, if not go even higher than that. So what were the highs, just to make sure? Yeah, 509, excuse me. So yeah, get up there around $5.10. With a high volume break of that trend line, because that would just be a beautiful little pennant breakout. Because if you picture this gap as that portion of the pattern, then what we have here, is basically a nice bull pennant pattern. For you golfers out there, if you want to visualize it better, there you go. So there is the bull pennant that has taken place. So now it's just a matter of, can the price get the breakout to the upside? Now, if the price comes down here and crashes to the downside of 460, the catch-22 of such a big movement upwards is that there is quite a bit of free fall, room. Not saying it's going to, free fall right back down to 360, but you got to keep that in mind. Is there's always trade-offs, always catch-22s, and the catch-22 with the big movements upwards it can create bigger spaces between supports. But overall, got to like the pattern going forward. We'll see what happens with it. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.